Mary here again, hoping this video finds you all in good condition. And if you're someone who's been researching about Live Good for a while now and is asking how are you going to join, this is the right place for you. Before I proceed, click that subscribe and bell button, leave a comment so I'll know that you're here. You may also tell me what you want to see in my next video and I'll do it for you. I'll be speaking in Tagalog for the sake of my kababayan. Okay, let's proceed. This is a shorter version of the tutorial na ginawa ko. Meron na kasi akong ginawa before, how to navigate the landing page, how to pre-register, and how to register. So, medyo mahaba-haba siya and detailed. You may find it in the playlist. And this one is shorter doon sa mga napag-aralan na yung Live Good and really interested na to join. Okay? Marireceive nyo if you want to join is yung link para sa landing page ng Live Good. Ang magbibigay nito sa inyo is yung kaibigan nyo or kakilala nyo or yung sponsor nyo na nag-introduce sa inyo sa Live Good. So, once na na-receive nyo na to, copy nyo lang, paste nyo sa browser dito. Ipapaste nyo siya dito. So, make sure na yung link at saka yung URL dito sa browser is magkaparehas. Kasi marami ng scammers na gumagaya sa Live Good and gumagawa sila ng mga fake websites. So, dapat hindi kayo magkakamali doon. Same yung link na binigay and same dito sa URL na makikita nyo sa landing page ng Live Good. Okay? And then, you have to click this one. Panoorin nyo muna yung video. Yan, 5-minute video para ma-refresh yung inyong mind kung ano ba talaga yung Live Good. Kasi I am supposing na you are here dahil gusto mo nang sumali sa Live Good. So once na natapos ka nang mag-watch, so input mo lang yung first name mo dito, last name, and yung email na gagamitin mo, and then click reserve my position. Now since I am already a member, hindi ko na makikita uli yung pre-registration back-end. Ang makikita ko na is yung aking back-end dito. So, i-explain ko na lang kung paano ka sasali doon. Kaunti lang ang difference naman sa back-end ng members and back-end nung mag-pre-register. So, once na-click mo na yung reserve my position, you are pre-registered na. Ibig sabihin, meron ka ng slot doon sa power line ng Live Good. So, ayan. Meron ditong may info. Nakikita mo tong may info dito. Dyan ini-input lahat ng information na nakailangan ng Live Good para ma-create yung iyong account. Ang unang-una mong gagawin is i-click mo yung Join Now. So, i-click mo yung Join Now. Once na-click mo na yung Join Now, i-require ka ni Live Good na gumawa ng username and password. So, kumuha ka ng pen and paper, sulat mo yung username mo, isulat mo yung password, pati na rin yung email na ginamit mo para mag-pre-register. Because itong tatlo na to is very important sa iyong Live Good account. Okay? Itabi mo, dapat hindi siya makukuha ng iba kasi baka mamaya is ma-hack yung iyong account. Okay? And then after that, pag na-input mo na to, i-require ka na ni Live Good to input your details. Makikita mo yung may details under doon sa info ha, under dito sa info, makikita mo na yung may details. Itong may detail, payment info, at saka shipping address. Dun sa may details, input mo lang yung iyong name, phone number, email, at saka address. Dalawa yung payment option. Cryptocurrency and credit card. For the credit card, dalawa naman yung option, MasterCard and Visa. Now, if you don't have a credit card, any card will do na may feature ng MasterCard and Visa. Or if you don't have any card, pwede kang gumawa ng account sa Maya and gamitin mo yung virtual card ng Maya. Pwede yun dito. And then after that, make sure na your card has 3,000 balance. Kasi ang membership fee, ang total niya is $49.95. Covered na yung $40 na affiliate membership and yung first month mo na $9.95. So, yung 49.95 is around 3,000 pesos. So, dapat yun ang laman ng card mo. And then, after that, kiklik mo na yung register na. So, or next, ganun ang makikita mo doon, next or proceed, ganun. Follow mo lang yung prompt na makikita mo sa screen and then ano na sa'yo si Livegood na you have already successfully registered. Parang ganun. And then makaka-receive ka ng email. And after that, ang importante lang dito is you have to maintain yung 9.95 per month na subscription fee or equivalent to 560 pesos. So, that 560 is fluctuating depending on the how much na yung equivalent ng dollar in peso. So, that's it. Ganun lang siya kadali. Okay? And pag nakaregister ka na, even if you don't enroll people or buy and sell product, you have a chance to earn as long as you maintain your subscription fee. Hindi siya ganun kadali, hindi mo siya depends kasi on the people, yung upline mo kung gaano sila kabilis mag-enroll ng tao. But you have a chance to earn as long as you are a member and hindi mo pababayaan yung subscription fee mo. And I have to warn you that business itong pinapasok mo and kung gusto mong maging serious sa business na to, you have to work it out. Same as any other business, pinagtatrabahuhan, pinag-aaralan talaga ang business. But kung ang gusto mo lang is maka-avail ng product at a lower cost, kaya ka nag-member or gusto mo lang talagang kumita na member ka lang, subscriber ka lang, pwede naman. Pwede naman siya. As long as, sabi ko nga kanina, huwag mong pababayaan yung iyong subscription. Now, kung meron ka pang ibang question, you may leave a comment below so I can answer you. And kung gusto mo namang mag-register under my team, you are very much welcome. Okay. You will find my link in the description below. Also, if you have any suggestion on what video or topic you want to see in this channel, you may leave your suggestion in the comment section. Okay? That's all for now. Bye.